Hi, I'm Lisa Schultz, co-founder and co-owner of the Care Partners Project, planner and app. This is our why. Have you ever in your life had a passion? It hit you here, it hit you here, it hit you here, and you're like, I gotta do it. I gotta run that marathon, or I gotta buy that house, or I've gotta move out of state, or I've gotta get a dog, or I've gotta have children. I've gotta open that business. And that is what happened. I was at a retreat a few years ago, and I realized there's something in the group that was happening. We were either were caregivers, or people close to loved ones who had caregiving in their life. And we talked about the struggle. We talked about the loss of identity, or how to take care of yourself, or the lack of organization, or I'm stepping in and I don't know how to step in, and the list went on and on. So we threw a piece of paper out and we just brainstormed. What would it look like? What would it look like? And then I took it to a printer, hired a graphic designer. They built it. I ran 20 copies of it, handed it out, asked for feedback to people who are caregivers, and they came back with their mocks, and we rebuilt it. And then we put it in the marketplace. And some people said, I love it. It's great. It's helpful. And another group of people said, I use my phone, but I don't have it. This doesn't work this way. This doesn't work that way. So I came back, investigated, and said, we've got to have an app. For my passion to be complete, I've got to have an app too. So I'm proud to tell you, if you go to the Google Store or the Apple Store and pull up Care Partners Project, you will find an app. It's a monthly subscription. If you go to Amazon and type in Care Partners Project Planner, you will have several different copies that you can purchase. Now, why are we doing it? Because there's nothing else like it in the marketplace. It allows you to look at your schedule and the patient's schedule. It allows you to ask questions for yourself. How do I feel? What's my goal? What's something I've got to do? What is my water intake? What's my mood? What's my patient's mood? And the list goes on. I hope you'll check it out. And I'd love your feedback.